Receiving a new job offer is incredibly exciting. But before you sign on the dotted line, have you ever wondered what those non-disclosure agreement terms really mean for your future? When reviewing non-disclosure agreement terms in an employment contract, the most important step is to carefully read every clause to understand your obligations and potential restrictions. It is crucial to identify key definitions and terms, and if anything is unclear, always seek professional legal advice before signing. Understanding why these agreements are in place empowers you to make informed decisions. Companies use non-disclosure agreements, or NDAs, to protect their valuable trade secrets, proprietary information, and confidential data. This protection ensures their competitive edge, but it can also impact your ability to work for future employers or even discuss your general expertise. To effectively review these terms, begin by identifying what exactly the agreement defines as confidential information. Look for the duration of the agreement, both during and after your employment, and scrutinize the scope of activities that are restricted. Pay close attention to any clauses regarding ownership of intellectual property you might create and your obligations for returning company materials upon departure. You should also check for carve-outs, which are specific types of information that are excluded from confidentiality, like publicly known facts or information developed independently. Another critical element to look for is a return of materials clause, which specifies how and when you must return or destroy confidential company documents and data. Ensure that the terms feel reasonable and that they do not overly restrict your future career options, such as preventing you from working in an entire industry simply by knowing general concepts. If you have any concerns, discussing these terms with the employer or seeking legal counsel can help clarify ambiguous language or negotiate modifications. Ultimately, a thorough review of non-disclosure agreement terms safeguards your career trajectory and future opportunities. By proactively understanding your commitments, you protect yourself from unintended consequences, ensuring you can confidently navigate your professional path without unknowingly violating a binding agreement.